Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one.
Hey, yo, mama on the beat.
Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real rock star? This ain't no guitar, it's just a clock.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Main Concept. So, them sent me 2 wigs for review, and I'm gonna start off with this wig, okay? So the name of the wig, it's Trumpet, and the color, it's a spicy brown, okay? As you can see, it has adjustable straps on the inside, and look at the color, like spicy brown is the color, and yeah, it's spicy for true. So I already have on my wig cap, and I already adjusted the straps on the wig, so I'm just putting it on my head to see, just to ensure that it fits, you know. So this is what it looks like on my head. As you can see, it does not come pre-plucked. So what I'm gonna do, I am just gonna cut away the lace at the front, and I was thinking to pluck it at first, but then I'm like, nah, that just feel like too much work. So I think I'm gonna put it a little bit in my face, kind of thing, to hide the areas that's not pre-plucked. I mean, no, it just you'll see what I'm doing. You'll see what I'm doing. I'm so bad at explaining what I'm doing, but anyways, I'm just cutting away the lace, okay? So this here, the length, it's 32 inches, okay? It's 32 inches, and it's loose wave here, and it's ear-to-ear lace, so it is, I believe, 13 by 7. So what I did there at the parting, I added concealer just so that the part can be more defined. I also added some foam at the top just so that it will be flat. This hair, it is not human hair. Let me just put that out there. So just letting you know, it's not 100% human hair. However, the texture of the hair, it's very soft. It's very soft. I absolutely love the color. It's giving me Beyonce, you know. The color, it's gorgeous. It does shed a little bit, as I've mentioned before. It is not human hair, okay? So I'll leave all the details for this hair in the description bar below. What I love about it is that, like, the installation, it's super easy. You just put it on, cut away the lace, and that's that with that, okay? So let me know what you guys think of this wig, and then I'm just gonna move on to the next wig, okay? So the next wig, I added some smoked purple lipstick just to match the wig, the next wig, because the color is a little burgundy-ish. I don't know what you call the color there, but they call this color, actually it's called Scarlet. It is 13 by 7 HD lace. It comes with adjustable straps on the inside. So as you can see, the lace, it's HD, so you can see right through. So I put it on at first, and then I'm like, this don't look right. So I decided that I would add some foundation on the inside of the wig just to give it some color, and also add some on my wig cap as well, just so that it blends in and it looks like scalp, if you get what I'm saying. I'm not sure if I mentioned the name of this wig, but her name is Ivy, and the length, it is 28 inches, so it is super long, okay? And it is not human hair as well. It's not human hair, it's synthetic hair, okay? So this is me after I added the powder on the inside of the wig, and I also added the powder on my wig cap. So I'm just gonna cut away the lace at the front. I also did not do much plucking, like I didn't do any plucking at all because I just really couldn't bother, and I don't think it needed plucking as well. I don't think so. Like the baby hairs, it's a little bit natural. And what I like about both wigs, you guys, is that I did not have to use glue. Okay, like I'm not a huge fan of using glue whenever I'm installing my wigs. Like I love glueless wigs, and that's one of the reasons why I make glueless wigs for my clients, because I like the idea of putting on your wig and go, and also saving your edges. Okay, so I did not use glue to install any of these wigs. And just another thing to note, that these wigs, they come in multiple colors, so you can definitely check out their website, and you can also grab their products in your local beauty supply store. So, and it doesn't only come in these colors that I'm showing you guys. I think I already mentioned that, come in a multiple color. So if you don't like this color, you can grab another color. But I really love it. I love the curls, and I'm adding just a little bit more foundation at the front there, so it looks like scalp. So let me know what you guys think of both wigs. Let me know which one you prefer. I love them both equally. Definitely recommend. All the details will be in the description bar below. Let me know in the comment section what you think of these wigs. Stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.